Okay everybody, today we will learn that how to end the unwanted apps which are directly affecting the RAM of our PC or laptop. The RAM is showing the high usage when you are not using the apps. So first of all you have to come into this start menu, type task manager, and afterwards you have to check each and every app which is running, and you have to analyze or judge that either it is necessary or not. If it's not necessary, you have to come on a single app which is not necessary. You have to click this right button and you have to check this option of end task. After clicking this end task, this app will be ended and your RAM will be preserved at the background. Okay, heading toward the most effortless and most simple solution to this problem, which is Microsoft PC Manager. It's mostly pre-installed inside your Windows, as you can see. So you have to just simply open it, and there's option of boost up. You have just simply click on this boost option, so your PC will turn off the all unnecessary app and you will feel smoothness in the interface of your laptop. Okay, let's finalize this issue getting guided with the last and the final solution to this problem, which will initiate by right clicking on this battery icon. You have to just simply right click and select the power and sleep settings as mentioned. So you have to check out the second option, which is power mode, and there are two slots, plugged in and on battery. You have to select the best performance and the both slots as I have selected them previously. So you have to close it and you have to come to the search bar and search adjust the appearance and performance. You have to type it and it will appear in front of you. You have to come here and you have to select the third option, which is adjust for the best performance. So by clicking it or selecting it, the PC will automatically switch off the all unused apps which are running at the background and affecting the RAM. And you can additionally select or run the options which are mentioned here, which you feel necessary for your laptop or which are professional or useful to you. You can select them as per your choice, and furthermore you have to click this apply and this OK button. Please tell me into the comments that from where you're watching this video, and please do like and subscribe for my kind efforts, and please support my channel.